Good morning, class 9. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so we are going to do exercise 5.1. Here the question is that we have to solve this equations by substitution method. So what is a substitution method? I will explain you within this the first answer and all the answers. Okay, so in substitution method, what do? Basically, we just take any of the equations. You can take any equations. I have taken the second equation and you will find the value of any variable. So I have found the value of x. You can do from y also. So x is equals to this, y will be shifted to other side, so it will become plus, so 4 plus y. Now this value of x will put in the another equation. So we have used from the second equation, so we'll put in the first equation. So after putting it, x plus y is equals to 14. When we'll put the value, so x is equals to 4 plus y, we will put over here, plus y will remain like that, 14 will remain like this. After this, solve it out. So 4 plus y will become 2y, that is equals to 14. Now 2y is equals to, this will be shifted to other side, so it will become 14 minus 4. So y is equals to 14 minus 4 is 10 and 2 will be shifted, it will become divided. So 10 by 2, that is equals to 5. So we have got the value of 5. After that, we'll find the value of x by putting in this equation, that is 4 plus y. So y value we have got already 5. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So this is our answer. Now question number 1 part 3. Here also we have a set of equation and we have to solve it. Again we have to find the value of x. So I have used in this question, I have used the first equation. Okay, you can take any equation and find your answer. So that's why in the first equation I have taken the second equation for finding the value of x, and here I have taken the first equation for finding the value of x. So x is equals to, I have got 9 minus 3y by 2. Now putting the value of the x in equation 2, what do we get? 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. So instead of x, we'll write 9 minus 3y by 2. After solving this, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9y by 2 plus 4y is equals to 5. So here there is nothing, it means there is 1, so it will be multiplied. So 4 2s are 8y. 27 minus 9y plus 8y, minus and plus will be minus, so 9 minus 8 will be 1, so that's why minus y, and this 2 will be shifted to over here. Okay, after transposing it will become, here it is divided, so it will become multiply, so 5 2s are 10. So 27 minus y is equals to 10, so y is equals to 27 minus 10, that is equals to 17. After you have got the value of y, we can find the value of x by putting the values in this equation. So it will be 9 minus 3y, y is 17, so we'll put the value of 17 by 2. 17 3 is a 51, so 9 minus 51 by 2, that is equals to minus 42 by 2, that is minus 21 will be your answer. Then let's move on to the next question. Question number 2, part 1. Here also two equations are given, but it is in the form of a and b. So again we'll do the same thing, just the variables are changed. So we'll find the value of a from the first equation, that is 5 minus 3b. Now we'll put the value of a in the second equation, so it will be 7, 5 minus 3b minus 8b is equals to 6. So 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21, minus 21b minus 8b is equals to 6. So minus 21 minus 8 will be minus plus, but the sign will be negative, so it will be minus 29b is equals to 6. Then 29b will be shifted to other side, so it will become positive, and this number will be shifted to this side, so it will become negative. So 35 minus 6. Now 35 minus 6 is also 29, so 29 by 29 is equals to 1. So we have got the value of b. So we'll put the value of b in this equation and we'll get the value of a. So a will be 5 minus 3, that is equals to 2. Next is question number 3, part 1. Here 2x minus 3y by 4 is equals to 3 is given. 5x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. So from the second equation I have got the value of x, that is 7. When this will be shifted to other side, it will become 7. This will be minus, will become plus. So 7 plus 2y by 5. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, so it will become 2, 7 plus 2y by 5 minus 3y by 4 is equals to 3. So 7 2s are 14. So it will be 7 2s are 14 plus 2 2s are 4y by 5 minus 3y by 4 is equals to 3. Now when we'll find, so LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. So it will become 4, 14 plus 4y minus 5 3s are 15, because 5 4s are 20. So this will be multiplied to 4, and 4 5s are 20. So this will be multiplied to 5. Okay. So after multiplying 4 into 14, 56, 4 4s are 16. 5 3s are 15. So 16 minus 15 is 1. So y, and here this 56, the denominator will be transposed to other side, so it will become multiply. Now 3 into 20 is 60. and this 56 will be shifted, it will become negative. So 60 minus 56, that is y is equals to 4, and x is equals to, we'll put the value of y in this equation. So 7 plus 2 multiply 4 by 5, that is 7 plus 8 by 5, that is 15 by 5, that is 3. So this is our answer. Okay class, that's all for today. This is the method of substitution that I have taught today. Okay, you can solve the other questions by this method only. Thank you and have a nice day.